Hi everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, open quick settings menu. So just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. Click on reset phone and reset all settings. Reset enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so last solution is clear cache messages app. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on messages app. Click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.